Hello everyone, my name is Elian Cardoso and I will answer three questions. Question number one, what are the advantages? The advantages will be that students are attitude on current issues, whether political or cultural. Uh, Question number two, what are the disadvantages? First, the main disadvantages will be the lack of time either to study or to work as a teacher. Question number three. What is your own opinion? In my opinion, activity should be current each child. I will that one activity does not affect the other so that the work as teacher does not affect their study and both activity can be carried. Thank you.